Today, we are going to make a beautiful plywood light box. This time, we will use the Alpha MK2 40W for production. Place the plywood into the engraving area. Use the focus column to adjust the laser module for correct focusing. Open Lightburn. Import the design into the engraving area. Set the parameters to the values mentioned above. Click Frame to confirm the engraving range. Click to start engraving. Take out all parts and begin assembly. Congratulations! You have completed a beautiful plywood light box.